My name is Aura Singh. Today I will be teaching you guys how to make bubbles with water slime. You must be wondering, water slime is hard to make bubbles because they are so watery. You can see that I am right now adjusting the slime because the slime that I just bought from Walmart just dropped. And now it stopped, so it dropped. It fell on the ground and I had to pick it in front of everybody, and I was still dangling with the slime. Okay, let me show you. This is what is left of the slime. No words to say. It's so hot. Oh my god. Wait for me. I'm gonna go do something. Okay, it opened. Come on, I have to pour it out. Come on. Oh, that looks like what I'm saying about the poop. It looks like the poop, yeah. Comment down below what slime you want to let me guess next time. Ooh, there's a pearl. I just noticed the pearl. Wait. Oh my god. Ew. Oh, no, just leave it. Oh my god. So everywhere. I don't know how people. Ew, I thought that was like if somebody just farted. You see it right there. Oh my god. Look. Did you see that? A bubble. I think it's too far for you guys to have observed, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit down. Oh, is it better? Comment down below. Look, I'm gonna do first. You have to, for example, your slime just came out from the bottle, like this, and then you have to just put it on the table. And then after putting on the table, you have to hold the spotters like this. And then stretch it. And then, yeah. Oh my god. And, oh my god, ASMR. Oh. Just close your eyes and listen to the sound. Now another one. You have to put your hand right on this. Oh my god. And then, oh. It might work, but look, it is water slime because look, it's literally drippy and look, it's literally dripping all over my hand. Look, it's all jingly. It looks so beautiful. Oh, that's the situation to handle. Oh my god, I really want to make a big bubble. Look. Watch close and learn. Learn, gentlemen. Oh my god. Just destroyed that. Perfect. Oh my god. Okay. Did you see the big bubble? It's not really big, but look. Listen. Wow. Comment down below which slime you want me to use next. In the next video, I'm gonna use a yellow slime. It's still the water slime. Cool. I can see there's a hole. And the hole just exploded. Look! There's a bubble. What happens if I put the cap on the bubble? Oh, it just sank in the bubbles. Nothing to see right here. The color looks brownish because I dropped it on the floor. Look, now I'm gonna make a gigantic bubble. I hope I succeed. That's thing I think is called a bubble. Look, I just carried the bubble. Whoa, oh, it's jiggly. And I popped it. I think it's all good for today. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.